Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do ombre deep cream powder. So this is after the two base color. I'm gonna file her nail, make sure her nail have a shape. She want an almond shape. So I'm gonna make sure the shape is right first before I'm applying the powder. Okay, so after the shape, so we're gonna go ahead and do the base. So this is the glow in the dark base. So we're gonna make sure that we get enough base to dip them in there like this. Make sure that we don't polish them on the cuticle. So after the first one, we go ahead and do the second one. And remember, we're not gonna do nearby the cuticle, okay? Just the hair stroke off the cuticle. Okay, go ahead and do the second one. So we're gonna mix two ombre together. So I'm gonna start it with the blue first. We just dip them and then make sure that we keep the brush far away from the nail a little bit. But make sure we only do it on the tip, not too much. But you see how my finger dapping on the brush? Okay, I'm gonna do the second one, okay? Get the brush, dip into the sparkle, and then dust it on. Make sure that we only do it on the tip. See? Okay, and now we already finished the first one, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the second one with the second sparkle. With the same brush, you dip it in there and you dab around it. But make sure you do it really light, okay? Because you don't want to put them a bunch of them on there because you want to show the ombre look. Okay, is that good? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do it. So remember, we got to do it really slowly, and make sure it's on the corner you have it too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the third one so you can see it better. Get the powder, and then make sure you have a tiny brush because you don't want to like get a big brush because they're gonna pick up more power. You want to like less because her finger is small, it's not long. So see, this is how ombre is supposed to look. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.